chilling on the water. This is what we like to do.
I'm qualified too. I can't believe it.
Happened when you...
So, Ben's just put the TV up for me, so here's a finished product of it. This is where it is. He's also put another little light, oh, is it good? There we go, in a wardrobe, and that for me. So he's bolted a TV on the back of here, look. See the bolts there, yeah. So, that's all good, happy days. Right, let's go see what he's doing now. So, what are you doing now?
Well, because the blind won't retract, it's knackered, so I thought I'll take it apart. It's broke already, I can't break it anymore.
So this, I think he's just taken down from the hatch up here in the tree. So, yeah. So when we were in Brighton, he actually broke it, so he's now trying to fix it. Having problems here?
I don't like learning as I go. Right, so that's the frame. So that's the blind. Get that out of there. Well, I put it back together. I can't fix it. The springs are all knackered inside. I did manage to get the net bit rolled up into the frame all the way, and this bit rolled up there. So yeah, I'll have to have a little Google, see if I can get a repair kit for an ocean air blind. I doubt it, but we'll have a look. Alright, I'll put it back up. So yeah, not successful, but it looks better than it did. This is not hanging down over our bed now. Alright, that's enough jobs for today. Beer time. Okay guys, evening jobs again. So it's Wednesday. I ordered this heater Friday for next day delivery from B&Q. So yeah, Wednesday, well done. Yeah, that's right. It's a little 1000 watt heater. Got some brackets to mount it. That's going to sit here above the bin. And then we should get some heat going out into the room and lingering. That is the plan. So yeah, evening jobs. Pitch black. Look at it. It's like 6 o'clock in the evening. Ugh, horrible time of year. That's right, really. Not too bad. So that is tonight's job. I'm gonna put it on with these. I've got these little brackets. Little brackets. They're going to screw to the cabin wall there. Thusly, now I don't know if these little screws, they are little screws, tiny, are going to be enough. So I might end up drilling through the wall, coming onto the inside of the cabin and putting a nut and bolt through it. I don't really want to do that and disturb the wall in here, but needs must. I don't want it falling off, and I don't want it jumping off. And bloody electric bin. Yeah, this evening's job. Alright, let's get on. And it happens to be the only evening in a while that the bird's not here, so I've got to try and measure it and do it myself. I could wait until tomorrow, until she's back, but gotta get the jobs done. So yes, if I try to mark it up, we shall see. Keep the bin there so you can gauge where I want it. Right, so it's got to be. This is complicated. Why make it so complicated? trouble is on a boat, nothing's straight. So I don't know if this is level or straight. I've got the carpet. Okay, so I wasn't going mad. I do know how to use a tape measure, just about. It just wasn't sitting down on its bracket properly. There we are. And I've got the app because I was testing out earlier on. So let's set the temperature. I'll turn on first, haven't I? Turn on. How do you turn on? Oh, power button. There we are. So it's only 17 degrees on the boat at the moment, which ain't enough. So we'll push it onto high. Set the temperature 30 degrees. Cool. Alright, let's have a look at what it's like. Yeah, it comes with a remote control as well. Look at that. So yeah, got to make use of the space, guys. So the bin obviously right in the way, but where else is it going to go? So the heater being up there, is it in the way? No, walk past. All good. Little compromises on a boat, but you know, living full time on a boat, got to make it comfortable, and it's not taking up much space. I'm not going to knock into it walking up the stairs. So yeah, there we are, loads of room. Okay, so that's this evening's job done, and the bird's not here, so I've got to fend for myself. So I bought pizza earlier, so I haven't worked out how to use the oven yet. Okay, I've got to work out how to use the oven. We're getting there. A couple more jobs to do, lots more videos to come, and yeah, we'll get out boating at some point. Alright, but for now, 17 degrees. It needs to be a bit warmer in here, so we'll see how that performs. 1000 watts. Okay guys, update on the heater. The heater is alright, but it ain't very powerful. So oh, bird, be careful with that bird. The bird's here to help me today, so I bought a bigger one. So this one here will fill this. It will fill this space, but that's only 1000 watts. That's 2000 watts, because that's not putting enough heat into the rest of the boat. So hopefully the 2000 watt one will. So that one is going to come off and go into here, spare cabin. I'll mount it on the wall here. Yesterday I put another plug socket in. It's got a socket for it. See what that does.
Yeah.
Okay.
Be a bit warmer in a minute.
Yeah. Yeah, you know what's going to happen next. The electric's going to keep tripping. But hey, life on a boat. Got to live with it, deal with it, work it out. Just don't boil the kettle at the same time as having all the heaters on. Right, let's get on with it. Okay, fitted the heater. It's yeah, it's a lot bigger. I've kind of got it in a slightly wrong place. I've got to fill those holes because I wanted to lower it down as low as possible, because the other one, it was too much heat getting up here. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. So we're 20 degrees at the moment. That little one there, I'm not doing it now, they're knackered. It's going to go up on the wall there. So yeah, it sticks out a bit, but you know, it's not massively in the way. With the bin underneath it, you kind of naturally walk around the bin, so you're walking around the heater as well. So here we go, see how warm it gets. And the bird is enjoying a glass of wine. So we've got some lights going on. Looking all cozy in here, loving it. And we got there's chaos out here, but yeah, underwater lights are purple tonight. finding some fish. Alright. Awesome. So, a little bit of progress, more things to do, more videos to come, and food to come. Bloody starving. It's getting on a bit. Friday evening, so a bit more to do tomorrow, and I'm going to service the engine, so I don't know if I'm going to do that this weekend or next weekend. Probably next weekend actually, so it's got lots to do. So yeah, there we are. It's getting nice and warm in here, so it's still 20 degrees, but I start kicking out heat. Yeah, it's right. Okay, food time. Okay guys, Saturday, and I've put the big heater up there last night, and that did heat all of the space lovely. Glamorous assistant. And I put this little heater in here. A bit overkill really for this little room, but I had it, so I might as well use it. And I can control it from my phone, so it keeps this room nice and toasty. I don't take up much room either. Pretty cool. Yeah. So another project on the go, TV bracket. So I've got a ceiling mounted TV bracket that mounted upside down. Just got to think this is actually definitely going to work that way around. Yeah, I'm going to try and mount it over here. Oops, now I'm not totally opposed to cutting a big hole out in this and putting a pole down through it, which is what I'm probably going to end up doing, and then bolting it, screwing it right down there. There's already a hole in there, so someone else had a TV there before, looks like it. So not totally opposed to doing that, but we will see how it looks in a moment. Alright, let's get it out there. And let's hope we don't drop it. Right, it's heavy.
Right, where am I lifting from?
Like that.
Like that?
Okay, don't put your fingers on it.
I haven't.
Lift it up higher, bird. I wish Rich was here.
Oh, this isn't a job for me. Scared I'm going to drop it.
We'll go over that. We'll go over that. No, it doesn't.
Yeah, that's better. Yeah. It's better there, yeah. So that, yeah.
Right, so that's where it's going to go, but I am going to drill through that and just put a pole through there somehow. Don't know how actually. Fuck it. Bloody boats. Okay, I'll work it out. Okay, ooh, sun's out. Lovely. So, bracket is in. Look at that, solid. Solid as a rock. Oh, I've got to modify this again. There is that screw there.
Have you got enough height room to get that?
Oh, fuck. You're right, bird.
What you need to do, put the pole on first, and then the TV after. So just, can you unscrew this bit? And then have to hold the TV on.
God damn it.
I'm right for a change. Woohoo!
Yeah, because without the TV on.
Yeah, you have too high in it. Yeah, be careful.
Oh, come on.
Oh, fucking hell, Ben. Oh, let me steady myself. I can't.
Bird, you just follow my guidance. You just support it. Right, let's go on here.
Am I on?
Yeah. Okay, go down.
It's not there.
Right, that is solid though. Good. Okay, we're there. We are there. Just got to drill a hole in the bracket at the back to keep it some swiveling around. So that is the modification. I'll use these bits I cut out of the board over there to put the plug sockets in. Spacers, bolt straight through into the drinks cabinet. Nut and bolt, so that's bolted down. That sticker's got to come off because that's going to annoy me. And yeah, screw it down. In fact, there go on Vix is sliding down the pole at the back. Alright. So, TV is secure. Just got to modify that other piece. So, the board there, that slides in, so I've just got to cut that out so it can slide in past the pole. Okay. Looking good. Thanks for watching, guys. See what we get to next. Right, it's all finished. Look at those guys. Like and subscribe. So, oh, I didn't take that sticker off. I've got to take that sticker off. Cut the hatch out, so still I'll slide it that way to get off the magnet and then put it up. There we are. So, bracket is there. Here's an away. Put some extra, I drilled some extra holes in the bracket and put some more screws in there because I don't want it moving. There we are. Job done. Oh, a bit of tidying up to do now. And beer time. Alright, we'll see you later.